Hi friends, for today's Seminar Smarts in 60 Seconds, here's how you can use gap language to differentiate yourself from other advisors during your event. Gap language is a communication technique that allows you to highlight your differences from other advisors by identifying their gaps and showing how you fill them. It also educates consumers on the different types of financial advice, which we can all agree is needed. For example, if you mostly work with clients on retirement, you could position yourself strongly against your competition by saying something like, accumulation? That's actually the easier part. That's what most advisors focus on. It's descending the mountain that's hard. While others focus on growing the mountain, we help you get down the other side. Just like most people wouldn't go to a general medical doctor if they have a specific health issue, like heart disease, investors must learn that in order to achieve well-rounded, holistic advice, they need to seek out financial advisors that can help them with their specific goals. Learn more ways to differentiate yourself at whiteglove.com/Diana.